Good morning, people. What's up, y'all? Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel once again. It is bright and early, so the reason for me being up so early is they are having a drift event at Memphis Motorsport. What I'm about to do is meet up at one of my buddy's house, the same house as in the last drift video. I'm about to meet up with them there. We're gonna head out from my buddy's house, and yeah, let's get into it, y'all. Ooh, y'all know she was looking broke, busted, and disgusted. I ain't watched this joint in a little while. Oh yeah. Look at this, man. Bro, I'm the only one here, bro.
What's up, big dog?
What's up, bro? Kareem them on their way. I just talked to them.
Yeah, I went to get gas. My bad. I didn't know you were coming so soon.
I was like, bro, I'm the only one here, bro.
I appreciate you being early, though.
All right, y'all. As you can see, we are at the homie Dan's house, waiting on the rest of the guys to get here.
Sure. End of sling fans? Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, a lot more.
Bro, it's crazy how I was like the first one here, and it's just like, oh, look. We got cars everywhere, bro. Bro, where my McDonald's at, bro?
It's in the truck, shoot.
All right, bet. My McDonald's at, bro. I was hungry as hell this morning.
Yo, Danny. Nah, we'll be fine. Who you riding with, Shaq?
I guess Zane.
Yep. Oh, dude. Yesterday, let me reenact this for you. All right, check out this scar. Oof. See that lump?
Uh-huh.
If I wasn't wearing jeans, I would be cut open right now. I did this number yesterday.
Oh, and when?
This is my footing right here. Slice. Flipped over. Bent. I hit it so hard this thing bent like that way.
Dang, I try to fall back this time, boy. All right, y'all. Now that the gang is all here, we probably finna get ready to head out.
They're like
so,
big, but not big. I don't know how to.
I guess I'll just pick back up when we get to the track. Oh, so this is different. All right, y'all, we done made it to the track. Like I said, this is different because we're used to the tracks being on the other side, which is back there, but I guess they're gonna try a different location now. I think they're trying to change it up. It's supposed to be more fast-paced or whatnot, but as you can see, the gang is all here. Still have people coming in. But yeah, hopefully everything goes pretty good, goes pretty smooth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get his car off the trailer, get everything swapped out, get everybody ready to go, and yeah. All right, y'all, so they finally gotten started with drifting. There's not that many people here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut down on everything, and I'm gonna probably get some cinematics for you guys for the cars that's here, and then we'll get out there and get some ride-alongs, get some footage on that. But as you can see, it's not that many people here, so yeah. right, y'all. So guess what?
What?
Mr. No Gas right here drove us to the store, right?
I don't know what you're talking about. I got gas.
And so we picked up, this is my third drink. And bruh,
This man treat like a pet. This is my third.
we get, damn, Truly's, bro, right here. I'm not drunk, y'all, I promise.
I just spit all over my seat.
Bro, we get, bro, I'm finna go get a ride along, bro.
Hey, chill with funky copyright, bro. Huh? Funky copyright?
Yeah, and I ain't got no fucking
demonetized.
I know, right? And I ain't even monetized, but you gonna demonetize me, bro.
You get right along that Buick.
All right, where?
Right there.
I know, right? So we're gonna go find Big Daddy Kareem because he owe me a ride, bro.
Wait, you have to wait after me, though.
Bro, I'm not waiting, bro.
You're gonna play rock, paper, scissors.
Say less. Let's
Oh,
do
no.
it. Here, hold it. Let's go, bro.
Oh.
Let's go, bro. Right here, right now.
What do you say?
Come on. Right, faces here. Oh!
Best out of 3. I don't know if you get so hyped for it.
Come on, bro.
How I get it wrong?
Come on, bro.
How I get it wrong and you did it
Come
before
on,
me?
bro. One more.
You already won it. Best out of
Oh,
3.
okay. All right.
Man,
Nigga, I
dumb
went 2
drunk.
times, bro.
Man, dumb drunk.
All right, bet.
You already won, bro.
All right, y'all. As y'all can probably tell, my eyes are low because I have been drinking. Don't drink. So I'm about to find somebody to give me a ride along. socks off. Hell yeah.
gonna be slick.
Yeah, I know. I'll let you go like a couple seconds before me.
All right. There's a good chance I'm gonna spin. Just heads up.
Yeah, I know.
let you go way before me.
All right.
Hey, I'm gonna let you get in the second gear before I even leave.
All right.
Yo, I haven't done many ride-alongs, but I don't know. This event didn't smack. It ain't smacking like the last one, so I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wrap this shit up. Daniel got T-boned. His shit's dented up a little bit. Dude, this thing is sick, bro. But yeah. I think that's about it. I'm just gonna wrap this shit up. And I don't know, we'll wait for the next event. The Midnight Madness event should be like pretty straight, but this one I ain't really just feeling it, so you know, it is what it is. But squad, everybody all good. I'll probably go for a few more ride-alongs and just call it a day. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. We out to the next one, y'all.